Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam must be running to play this game error on your Windows PC. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. If Steam is still running in the background, click the small arrow on the right side of the taskbar, then right-click the Steam icon and choose Exit. After that, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for any Steam-related processes still running. Select each one and click End Task until all Steam processes are closed. Close Task Manager and launch Steam again. If the error still appears, open Windows Search, type Windows Security, and open it. Select Firewall and Network Protection, then click Allow an app through Firewall. Find Steam or your game in the list and make sure both the private and public checkboxes are enabled. If they are not, click Change Settings and enable both options. If Steam is not listed, click Allow another app, browse to the Steam installation folder and add it. If the problem continues, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the affected game and select Properties. Open the Installed Files section and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your game files and automatically download any missing or corrupted files. Thanks for watching.